Good morning, children. Class 10 Geography. Topographical map. Topic: Scale and measuring distance. First, scale. Meaning of scale: the ratio between map distance and ground distance is called a scale. Other hand, a scale is equal to MD by GD. MD stand for map distance, GD stand for ground distance. Clear? Types of scale. There are three types of scale found on the topographical maps. First, the statement scale. Second, the linear scale. And third, the representative fraction. First, the statement scale. Express in words. For example, 1 centimeter to 5 kilometers. Second, the linear scale. In this scale, a straight line divided into lengths. The length divided into two parts, primary part and secondary part. Primary part divided into meters and secondary part divided into kilometers. So 1 cm is equal to 5 kilometer. Clear? Third, the representative fraction or the representative fraction scale. The representative fraction or RF express the proportion of map to ground. Express the proportion of map to ground. Other hand, the representative fraction expressed in fraction. Like 1 by 50,000. 1 is numerator, 50,000 denominator. 1 is always numerator, is denote map distance, and 50,000 denote denominator is ground distance. So 1 is to 50,000. Clear? Next, measuring distance. How I calculate the measuring distance on the topographical map, topographical sheets? So there are two methods to help us calculating distance on the topographical map. Mainly two methods. First, measurement of straight distance, and second, measurement of curved distance. First method, measurement of straight distance. In following steps, mark 2 points on the map, given map or given topographical sheets. Mark 2 points on the map. Measure the distance with help of divider. And now the divider on the linear scale. Linear scale. The divider on the linear scale drawn on the map to calculate the distance of the map. Clear? Second, measurement of curved distance. How are calculate the curved distance of the given topo sheet? So measurement of curved distance is the following steps. First, take a piece of thread and mark the point with pen. Place A and place B given the topographical map. Curve state. Starting point A and ending point B. Take a piece of thread and mark the points with pen, which starting point to last point. Thread, which last point. Now stretch the thread along the scale to give the length. The stretches of the thread along the scale to give length. Clear? Next topic, the calculation of RF. Convert RF centimeter to kilometer. If the scale of a map is 2 cm, represent 1 kilometer, what will be the RF? First, 2 cm represent map distance and 1 kilometer represent ground distance. First of all, convert both sides of the ratio to the same unit. Both sides convert the ratio of the same unit, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter into 100 centimeter is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. The ratio now become 2 cm is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So RF is equal to 2 by 1 lakh, 2 1 जाओ 2 और 1 lakh 52 या 1 lakhs. 1 by 50,000. Therefore, the RF is equal to 1 is to 50,000 given map. Homework. What is a scale? Write down homework. What is a scale? Define the linear scale and the representative fraction. Next question, how are measuring of distance on the topographical map? And last question, if the scale of a map is 4 cm, represent 10 kilometer, what will be the RF? Clear.